If you're an entrepreneur or you're building a business, think about ways you can serve your users or customers and iterate on the feedback that they provide you to help your business grow. So many times we observe entrepreneurs building in a silo, not taking in the input of their customers, and overbuilding, frankly, without that type of insight to help guide and grow what they're bringing to life. It's really important. Business is about value exchange. If at any point in the process you're unclear on what value is transferring back and forth, then you have to really re-examine what you're building and the need around it. The easiest business to build is a high need business, but that takes an investigation, an effort of discerning and digging into problems or opportunities that exist that you can help solve. If you're an idea stage entrepreneur, just pondering about getting off the ground and you're building something that involves technology or that is investigating an impactful space for a community or the world, please send us an email at hello@devland.us. We are excited to hear about what you're working on.